holiday decoration for parties and more from the company A-OKHOSE is a 50 count RGB light on a 25-foot stringer with 3 AA optional batteries that you put in with 8 modes. It has a timer of 6 hours of a 24-hour recycle. This is the remote control that takes a CR2025 battery that to remove the tab. You have the on and off, the timer switch, the 8 modes, a dimmer switch, and brightness level. In the evening hours, we're going to show you what the lights look like. And they are strung up in a design so you can see how they react. Over here is the remote control and transmitter receiver center. And on it is a manual on and off switch and all the combinations of the light sequences. The first one is combination wave sequential, a slow glow, a chasing flash, a slow fade, a twinkle flash, a steady on and off. All that could be controlled by the remote control by the numbers. For our demonstration purposes, we hung them up for the evening hours, and we'll come back and show you what they look like. The colors are green, blue, red, orange, yellow, and repeated green, blue, orange, red, and yellow. It's the evening hours, and we turn on the light in continuous, and you can see them lit up. We're going to go to the next scene, and then the scene after, the third, then the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth. On the A-OKHOSE, we have the lowest dim level, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and 5 levels of increased light. We could simply hit mode number 1, mode number 2, mode number 3, and so forth, mode number 4, and pick the one that you like best. The A-OKHOSE lights, battery operated, 3 AA batteries for your lighting needs. Put it on the timer. 6 hours later, it'll shut off and go back on the time you hit the timer. Enjoy your A-OKHOSE lights. Thank you for viewing.